The 2023 GR Corolla is a pure Toyota sports car, precision built at the GR factory at Toyota's Motomachi plant. GR Corolla will come in 3 models: Core Grade, Launch Year Exclusive Circuit Edition, and Ultra Limited MORIZO Edition. The Core Grade will be available in white, black and supersonic red. It will have a color-keyed roof with a black rear lip spoiler, GR4 stamped side rockers and wide fender flares. On the inside, seating for 5 will come with GR logoed fabric sport seats. The Circuit Edition will be a limited run model available for 2023 only. Standard colors are ice cap, supersonic red and heavy metal, with the same GR4 stamped side rockers and wide fenders as the Core Grade. It adds a forged carbon fiber roof, vented bulge hood, a sporty rear spoiler, Brin knob suede, and synthetic leather trimmed sport seats with red accents and a leather-wrapped MORIZO signed shift knob. The MORIZO Edition sheds the back seat in the name of weight savings and will be available in Windkill Pearl and a MORIZO Edition exclusive new matte, finished smoke gray color. It also comes equipped with a forged carbon fiber roof, rear lip spoiler, vented bulge hood, Brin knob and synthetic leather trimmed sport seats with red stitching, red mesh inserts, and ultra suede wrapped MORIZO signed shift knob. GR Corolla, powered by the lightweight, compact yet powerful 3-cylinder engine. Its output is thanks in part to a unique triple exhaust that reduces back pressure for maximum power delivery. The DOHC 12-valve engine features a single scroll ball bearing turbo and is matched to a 6-speed intelligent manual transmission with rev matching engineered to accommodate high torque levels. The turbocharger is integrated in the exhaust manifold, reducing weight, while control of wastegate bypass gases is used to improve the catalyst's warm-up efficiency. Combustion is fed by Toyota's direct and port fuel injection system, which operates at high pressure for maximum fuel dispersion, for a manufacturer's estimated 21 miles per gallon in the city, 28 miles per gallon on the highway, and 24 miles per gallon combined rating. The Core Grade and Circuit Edition push out 300 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque, while the MORIZO Edition hits 295 pound-feet. High-strength engine components and a turbocharger also help GR Corolla punch above its weight. GR Corolla models have a manufacturer-estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour time of about 5 seconds. Exclusively available with an intelligent manual transmission, GR Corolla's short-throw shifter and moderately tuned clutch keep drivers engaged with hands-on thrills. Intelligent manual transmission is off by default for drivers who prefer finding the rev on their own, but is easily turned on by the push of a button to the left of the steering wheel. For further responsiveness customization, Eco, Sport, Track and Custom Drive Mode Selector comes standard on all grades. Toyota's GR4 all-wheel drive drivetrain brings rally-inspired engineering to the GR Corolla. With the twist of a dial or a push for track mode, drivers can adjust the GR4 system to fit a variety of road conditions and driving styles, with 60-40, 50-50 or 30-70 torque distribution to the front and rear wheels. The GR Corolla Circuit and MORIZO Editions are also equipped with front and rear Torsen limited slip differentials, which offer enhanced cornering performance and grip with control of left and right-hand drive torque distribution on the front and rear axles. The Core Grade comes with all-wheel drive open differentials standard, with the dual limited slip differential available as part of the performance package on the Core Grade. To achieve control worthy of the GR badge, a highly rigid body was specially constructed for GR Corolla. Based off the global architecture C-segment platform, GR Corolla is designed for handling performance that rewards the driver. The front suspension is a McPherson-type strut design that is lightweight and maximizes the tire's grip potential. Made up of circuit-tuned coil springs, shock absorbers and stabilizer bars, the front suspension is designed to maximize power delivery to the wheels and provide optimum cornering capability on all surfaces. The rear suspension uses a double wishbone-type multi-link assembly that accommodates the all-wheel drive system's goal of maximum agility and stability. The MORIZO Edition tweaks the suspension with a stiffer spring rate on the circuit-tuned coils and red-painted monotube shock absorbers. Wide tread tires ensure high cornering performance while maintaining the excellent high-speed stability of the GR Corolla's 103.9-inch long wheelbase. The MORIZO Edition has extra-wide grip Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires mounted on 18-inch forged alloy wheels with an exclusive matte black finish and Toyota Gazoo Racing logo on the rim. It will be equipped with red-painted monotube shock absorbers and have unique suspension tuning for a precision driving feel fit for racing. All GR Corolla models come standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes enhancements made possible by system sensors with advanced detection capability. The pre-collision system with pedestrian detection is also capable of detecting motorcyclists and bicyclists in certain conditions. When making a turn or approaching an intersection, the system is designed to detect forward or laterally approaching oncoming vehicles and provides audio-visual alerts and automatic braking in certain conditions. Lane Departure Alert with Steering Assist is designed to notify the driver via audible and visual alerts and slight steering force if it senses the vehicle is leaving the lane without engaging a turn signal. GR Corolla will be equipped with Dynamic Radar Cruise Control, which is designed to detect the preceding vehicle and adjust speed in order to maintain a preset distance. And when Dynamic Radar Cruise Control is set and engaged, and Lane Tracing Assist is activated, this system uses sensors to detect the lane or a preceding vehicle and provides steering support to help keep the vehicle centered in its lane, while improved lane recognition delivers refined performance of Lane Departure Alert with Steering Assist and Lane Tracing Assist. Automatic high beams are designed to detect preceding or oncoming vehicles and automatically switch between high beam and low beam headlights. Road Sign Assist is designed to recognize certain road sign information using a forward-facing camera and display them on the multi-information display. In addition to the Toyota Safety Sense system, other standard safety features on the GR Corolla include Blind Spot Monitor, which is designed to help detect and warn when vehicles are approaching or positioned in the adjacent lanes. Rear Cross Traffic Alert helps detect vehicles approaching from either side while backing out and provide a visual and audible warning. Toyota's Rear Seat Reminder comes standard on the GR Corolla Core Grade and Circuit Edition. The feature can note whether a rear door was opened within 10 minutes of the vehicle being turned on, or at any time after the vehicle has been turned on, with a reminder message in the instrument cluster after the engine is turned off, accompanied by multi-tone chimes. Hill Start Assist control also comes standard on all GR Corolla models and helps improve control by reducing backward movement when starting from a stop going uphill. The wide stance and broad hatchback design of GR Corolla projects a strong, attack-ready style with its black GR badged functional matrix grille. The dynamic exterior includes functional air ducts flanking both sides on the Core Grade and MORIZO Edition, and a stylish front grille featuring integrated LED fog lamps and GR badge comes standard on all models. Auto on-off LED headlamps and LED DRLs are also standard on all grades. All grades feature wide front and rear fender flares. The Circuit and MORIZO Edition have a bulge hood with functional air ducts. The forged carbon fiber roof on the Circuit and MORIZO Editions are matched with a matte black roof-mounted shark fin antenna. The Core Grade features an aluminum hood with a color-keyed roof and matching shark fin antenna, gloss black power outside mirrors with turn signal indicators, and gloss black window molding. The Circuit Edition comes with heated side mirrors standard, which are available with the cold weather package on the core grade. Side, front and rear GR Corolla badges are standard on all models. At the rear, all models feature a rear lower bumper cover with functional air vents, which come in gloss black on the Circuit Edition. The tapering of the roof and rear pillars are complemented by a high-mounted black rear sport spoiler on the Circuit Edition and a color-matched rear lip spoiler on the core grade and MORIZO Edition. The wide track and flaring of the rear fenders emphasize the car's wide, low silhouette, with a ground clearance of 5.3 inches on the core grade and Circuit Edition and 5.1 inches on the MORIZO Edition. The design of the GR Corolla's interior reflects the car's performance, especially around the driver's cockpit. Incorporating the feedback of professional drivers, a GR Full TFT meter was newly developed with a 12.3-inch color multi-information display that shows four-wheel drive mode, turbo pressure, gear position indicator and tachometer. The brightly lit display is designed for easy viewing in any condition and even features a start-up GR animation. The shift lever is designed for a quick throw between gears. Positioned where the driver's arm is naturally lowered from steering, the action is light with short shift strokes, adding to GR Corolla's performance quality. GR Corolla uses a pull-type mechanical parking brake. Single-zone automatic climate control and power windows with one-touch auto up-down function is standard on all grades. Heated front seats and heated steering wheel are standard on the Circuit and MORIZO editions and are available with the cold weather package option on core grade. A GR leather-trimmed tilt telescopic sport steering wheel with audio, multi-information display, Bluetooth hands-free phone and voice command controls comes standard on the Circuit Edition. Standard on all models is a push-button GR engine start-stop button, aluminum sport pedals, two USB Type-C charging ports, one 12-volt auxiliary power outlet, lighted footwells, front console tray and rear console box. QI-compatible wireless smartphone charging with full charge indicator light is standard on the Circuit Edition and available with the technology package on the core grade. The 2023 Toyota GR Corolla Core Grade manufacturer's suggested retail price starts at $35,900. GR Corolla Circuit Edition prices start at $42,900, while the MORIZO Edition starts at $49,900.